Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account on the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Airbnb app. And here, if we haven't created an account yet, then we have two options. Here we can sign up with our phone number. We just select the country here, like this, and then we type in our phone number here, or we can just continue with one of the mentioned options, with email, with a Google account, with a Google account, or with Apple. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.